And we're back. Welcome back, everyone, to... Oh my fucking Christ. Welcome back to another episode of Rating AAS Systems, because everyone else is doing it. I apologize for the shady angles I'm getting. You know what? I'll be back. Oh, Christ. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I had to use my, I'm using my little arcade machine thing. When I use that, bitch, it doesn't matter. Let's continue. Uganda, what the fuck? Okay, United Kingdom, which is my country. I respect it. And you should too!
This is the Wartime Broadcasting Service. This country has been attacked with nuclear weapons. Communications have been severely disrupted, and the number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known. We shall bring you further information as soon as possible. Meanwhile, stay tuned to this wavelength, stay calm, and stay in your own house. Remember, there's nothing to be gained by trying to get away. By leaving your homes, you could be exposing yourselves to greater danger. If you leave, you may find yourselves without food, without water, without accommodation, and without protection. We shall be on the air every hour on the hour. Stay tuned to this wavelength, but switch your radios off now to save your batteries. That is the end of this broadcast.
Huh. I'm honestly glad I wasn't, in the war, because here's the thing. Alright? We never get an EES kind of alarm system thing. We never, ever had one. Not once. Not once, if I recalled. Not once. Well, of course. Not since the war, of course. Singapore! What you got?
Meet the MP returns Tuesday, the 26th of February at 9:30 p.m. on 5. You can also watch other episodes of Meet the MP on...
You know what? That sounds like what those like typical fucking commercials you see on TV. It reminds me of that when I'm watching Ghost Adventures. Jesus Christ, I want to watch that again.
on Toggle.
Oh, nice. Let's see. Island-wide sounding public warning system. Please do not be alarmed. Yeah, how about... Yeah, I'm not totally gonna be alarmed with the bow! Bow! Am I supposed to stay calm? Or am I gonna panic? What do you want from me? I give it 7. Because it's very annoying.
Do not be alarmed. You have just heard the important message signal of the public warning system sounded in support of Total Defense Day. This is sounded when the population is to be alerted to an important broadcast on local radio stations. There are 2 other signals of the public warning system, namely the alarm and all clear signals.
Jesus Christ, can they calm down with the alarms?
When you hear the alarm signal, move to a shelter immediately.
Hold on, you expect me...
The all clear signal is sounded when the threat is over and you can leave the shelter. This message is brought to you by Singapore's Civil Defense Force.
Ireland! I know nothing about the Irish. Let's see what they got for me.
Here follows a government announcement. The National Emergency Coordination Group has issued the following notices. A red weather alert is in force for the entire...
Skipping. Malaysia. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Jesus This is a test. This ain't no test. This is a test of death. No, thank you. Jesus Christ, it's loud. Oh, that's it. That's an absolute disappointment. When day breaks. Hello. Ah, here we go. Wow, what a great start! We are... Wow, what a great start. Wait, Greece? Greece? you started us great with that. You know, I thank you, Greece. You're a great partner. You've been a great contestant this year. Thank you for coming to the show. I'm gonna go home now. Oh, we're still doing this? Oh, we're still doing this, alright. Okay. And that's Greece. Next. I don't know about that. That's a good thing. Yes, France, I agree too. I can do that as well. Next. I've heard that. Yo, Italy, can you chill with Diavolo? Hearing test. Sounds like someone's going to be. It sounds like a ship is going to blow at any second. Nice. Hold on, I'm getting a call, guys. Where is it? I'm sure it's coming from somewhere. Ah, here we go. Yes. No. Fuck you. I give it a 0 because it sounds like a telephone. Next. That sounds oddly familiar. Now, Iran, why does it sound like a car? Why does it sound like a car? Why does it sound like a car, sir? I'd like to know. It's meant to be an alarm system, not an entertainment for kids. Jesus Christ. Oh, nice. I've gone deaf today. Alright, beeps. Beeps and boops. I know about that. Well, today isn't my day. Germany? Are you trying to get a rave for your, I don't know, tornado systems going on over there? I don't know if it's meant to be scary. Alright, next. It's pretty funny. I like it. I know about kind of it. Okay, no thank you. You know what? Sounds like America, but knowing Russia, they ain't American. Ow. That hurts. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to going to Brazil. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, I know about that. Chili. Look, man. I know you had a bad day, alright? Can you fucking chill? Sounds like an nuclear. Nuclear. Next. I know about that. Ow. Another beep. Jesus Christ. Sounds, you know what it sounds like? School alarms when there's a fire. Nice. Pretty sure. Shh, the movie's starting. Oh god. You know what? It sounds like a train coming. Yeah, I wasn't looking forward to sleep tonight. Thank you. Hello? Brunswick, Georgia. Overgrown. Wait a minute, this isn't right. Wait a minute. This isn't the right video. Okay, it's not over. I know there's loads more. Unfortunately, I don't know where they're at. So, that's the end of this video. Peace.